So we're heading out tonight. We're going out with our friends from England, Bill and Sue. We are literally right outside our hotel door, and you have this quartet.
String quartet. I just love looking at all the stores and the restaurants.
It's pretty cool.
I love it.
So as you know, we're still in Madrid, and we're going out to a sherry place. Is that right?
Yes.
So it's like the oldest sherry place. Yeah, look at Andrea said, oh, you don't need that on. Well, my ears are cold. Let me show you what we're looking at. Oh, that's it right there. The Mayor Square. It's right there.
So what they told us was...
So we're back into Mayor Square. And look behind me. Yeah, that's a horse's butt right there. And that's Felipe III, the king. Let's see what time frame. 1606. Look at the sky. So it's roughly around 8:30 at night. Oh boy, we're going into 1910. Let's do it. Let's do it.
We want to hear the Spanish as well. How do you say the top one? What's the top one? What's it?
Cazuelita de caballos y garbanzos. That's like the chickpeas. It's like chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Sue will like that.
Yeah, it's like a mixture of it. Like a little
Potatoes, I know. Fried potatoes. What's the churrera?
The churreria, it's like churreria churros, you know the churros? The churros?
Yeah.
It's more or less a similar way. And then montadita jamón is the jamón with bread and stuff. Crema de calabaza is a pumpkin stew, a type of pumpkin stew, which is really nice. And chorizo de Rioja is a funny from
I was trying to respect, not get his face.
No, you don't mind. You don't mind, do you?
No, I don't mind. That's fine. And then there's more as well.
Riojan chorizo,
Yeah, chorizo from the zone.
We're literally hanging out here. We're with Toby and his wife Anna and their children Santiago and Elena, and they live here in Spain, but they're taking us around. Check it out. So this is the place they took us to. We went to a sherry bar prior to this, and we couldn't video or anything because it's forbidden to do any video in that place, and it's a pretty amazing place. But now we're having tapas, and you can see middle of January in Madrid, Spain, and look at this. We went inside the restaurant. We couldn't even get in the restaurant. It was packed. So that's why we came outside. All right, I'm going to get something. Ooh, look at this.
Oh, I like the smell of this one.
Ay, ay, ay.
That's very
Look at that. Oh, yeah. Ooh. They got a little bit of all these tapas, all tapas. Look at this. Oh man, they're cooking. Oh, that's it right there. Ooh. That's what we're doing right there. I think we're doing mussels. Everything is cooked on coals.
Michael.
Yes. Yep.
Aceitunas marinadas en casa, it's all boquerones.
Boquerones?
The little fish.
It's very amazing.
Really?
And they're one of my favorites.
So the chef came out and we asked the chef, what would you recommend? So he basically came back and he told us everything that we should order, and that's what we ordered. And right now it's filling the table up, and this was on the house. Now, is that croquettes?
Yeah, something said there is on
Okay.
What do you think of that?
This is phenomenal. So delicious.
And that's the croquette,
Oh
right?
my god.
They gave us these on the house.
This is delicious.
Yeah, I'm gonna get into mine. Oh. So we're good.
Now, do we know what this is?
Delicious. Very good, very good. So that's a mixture of what?
Lamb, chicken, and that like, I'm not sure if there's a name for it, but it's like really thick and like fatty meats.
Have you had it before?
Not in a soup. You sometimes have a pancetta sandwich. So on a cold day, and you need something like to fill you up. That is it.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Toby, it's like liquid drip.
Well, that's what he was saying.
Not my
Well, you're there.
You didn't like it? Too fatty. It's nice and warm. All right, go ahead, Andrea.
Very warm. Very warm.
So this is like lamb,
Oh,
chicken.
it is very nice.
Oh, she likes it.
It's like
Andrea
a
likes
soup.
it.
You're right.
It's a good wholesome.
Yes, warm. You're gonna like it, Michael.
All right, let me try it.
You're gonna like it.
Oh, I'm thinking I am. That is good. That is very good. It tastes like a chicken, lamb. It's like a soup. The only thing it's missing is maybe a little rice, a little carrots.
It is like a chicken soup, but it's got some
You could taste
some
the lamb.
denseness to
Yeah,
it.
you could taste lamb, you could taste different flavors, but it's literally like, oh, look at that. Oh, look over there, hon. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Spicy?
That's a bit careful.
Oh, I like spicy.
Yes, about us. Nice.
We're having a great time. The food is amazing. All right, spicy. Not Chinese, spicy. So you got it on a finish.
With the mayonnaise,
Yes.
there's a nice balance.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Oh,
plate.
look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Look at
That's
that. Do you like mussels? Do you like mussels, Bill?
That's what he wanted.
Oh,
Let's move that. Let's pop them. Yeah, this
those are
Yeah.
good.
He's like, pass him down.
Is that cooked on the barbecue?
That's cooked on the barbecue.
What, not boiled in water?
No, I talked to the chef. The chef said that those are cooked on the barbecue, and that's what makes them special.
You know about this, Michael?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's he doing? So if I'm ever stuck on a desert island or a Caribbean island, I can see that. So these mussels are cooked on the grill. Look at how they opened up.
He said that it gives it the flavour, the charcoal.
Yeah, but look at how they opened up. They're not like usually they stay together. I can't wait to get into that. So he said the charcoal is what makes these special. What I found interesting is the way they opened up.
And tasty, aren't they?
Wow. You taste the salt water. You can taste water.
Not far from London.
Oh, like something else coming. Oh.
Ay, Chihuahua. Ay, ay, ay.
Michael, what have you ordered for?
The chef gave us his recommendation.
Delicious. Very good, very good.
Did you get paid on the video?
I think I might have got a little of it.
Oh, yeah. This here is a shrimp. Yeah. The top is shrimp. What's on the inside? Oh, look at that. You see that? Oh my God. This might be my favorite.
Look at all this food on this table. Oh my God, I'm loving it.
This is bacon tomato for Americans. It's bacon tomato.
Oh.
This is the full.
We're liking everything.
Ay, ay, ay.
Which is normally the best cut.
And what is that one?
Oxtail. The best cut.
Katsusando, okay? It's fried, but in the middle is very, very rare.
Amazing.
Enjoy.
And what do you call that?
Katsusando.
Catusano. Ay.
Catusano es un plato típico de las calles japonesas que se coge lomo de atún y se reboza.
What do you got there?
So this is like it's warm and it's like a tuna.
Yeah.
And it's like a Japanese, but they sear it a little bit. Look at that. That looks yummy. I gotta try that.
That was a chef. Everything on the table is a chef recommendation.
Oh my god.
Good?
I can't even explain the seasoning, but it's more Japanese.
More Japanese than Spanish?
Like ginger, maybe? Or maybe some flavor in there that I can't describe. Very, very good. Very good.
I'm gonna have some beer.
Yeah, because my family is the southern family. It's like we don't eat big.
Food's been amazing. I gotta go dig in some more.
Listen, I don't know, but you made the best recommendation. You know what they do? I recommend it cuando hay... Yeah, but the way you eat is amazing because everybody here, you like it? Everybody likes it? Everybody loves it. And for me, so Toby, he has a lot of business people. He goes to all the different restaurants. And I said, oh, now you have a new restaurant to go to. Okay, come here. Where are you from? America. Oh, you couldn't tell? No? Come on. Where are you from? Boston? Boston. Boston. I don't know American. My wife's American. Oh, but we love all the food. But I gotta ask you a question. Is this the spiciest that you have for food? It's spicy. That's Santiago, right? I think he likes spicy. You like it spicy? Just before you So Michael, you have to have a bit as well, right? Then we'll have a bit. We're all going to have a little spice tonight. You pick for the other one. This is my spicy for me, for the meal, all day. For me,
I'll go first. I'll go first.
No, it's not so spicy, but
What do you put it on? Do you put it on anything?
no pica mucho, ¿vale? No pica mucho.
I'll put it on my food.
Ahumado, es un poco ahumado, pero no mucho. No pica mucho.
No, but it's spicy. It's spicier than anything else on the table. However, it's got good flavor. It's got good flavor. It's got like a barbecue flavor, but with a little bite. You can taste the Mexican.
What do you think?
Yeah, but that was a nice heat. I could still taste the heat, but I wasn't. Oh.
It doesn't kill your mouth. That's when I don't like it. You don't taste it.
Oh, guess what? Chocolate desserts.
Look at the line.
Oh no, that's not. I don't think that's. No, they're leaving. Are you kidding me? I hate you. That's a line to get in there. Oh, gracias.
Come on,
Let's go. I got the chocolate sauce right here. But if we opted to eat in the restaurant, it would have been a long wait.
I also think we ended up.
There was a long line. There's still a line behind us. Look at the line behind us. Ay. So not only are you in that line, then the line behind that, there's another line. But we're gonna go get some of this and we're gonna share it with you. But I will tell you, if you're traveling, Off-season, I think, is the way to go. I mean, we're literally deep into off-season, and it's mild, very mild. The weather is extremely mild compared to what we're used to in Boston or New Hampshire. But we're getting back to the hotel. We're gonna get into this, literally right here.
So it's not
Literally, our hotel is right here. We literally walked right around the corner. It was not far at all. All right, we're gonna go in here, and we're gonna show you what we got. So we made it back to the hotel room. Look at this.
big bag of churros. And Michael has, oh, there you go, the chocolate, warm chocolate.
Oh man, look at that.
It's a
That's
cup.
a full cup of chocolate.
And look at these churros, they're long.
Dip it in there, come on. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you get the first bite? We're gonna double dip.
Well, just you and I. It tastes like pudding. Oh Jesus. Oh, give me some of that. Load the chocolate on there, like load it on there. I want all the chocolate on there.
It actually sticks to it. That's yummy.
Wow.
So this came with 6 churros and a cup of chocolate.
We need more churros to go with this.
And it was what, $6.20?
Yeah, $6.20. The oldest churros, 24/7. They're open 24/7. So if you're in Madrid and you're looking for some churros, 24/7, right off of the Puerto del Sol.
And Michael's
Plaza.
right. It actually tastes a little bit like pudding.
It does.
It's like thick. Because I thought I was gonna make a mess. It's not. It's yummy.
Good.
It's really good.
It's very unusual that she said I was right.
I feel like it's dripped right there. It was good.
Check it out. Kind of looks like a potato, right?
Bring it back.
Andrea she wants her bite.
I think this is your bite.
If we're keeping score, I think you're right.
Oh, you left me a tiny little piece. That's all right. I'll just load it up.
Wow. We should have got 2 bags.
Well, that's good.
That's chocolate pudding.
It's like a really thick,
But it's not like
chocolate.
It's not like chocolate pudding, but it's chocolate pudding.
no, it's like a really thick hot chocolate. It's yummy, but it's better with the churros. They're like crunchy and nice.
They're very good. So it's past midnight, and it doesn't even faze you. I mean, we went out to dinner with some amazing people.
We had a great time.
Great time. Before you know it, it's like midnight in Spain, and you're like, wow, midnight? What? I was with Bill. I said to Bill, remember, because he's the one who told me, he says, the Spaniards go out around 8, 9 o'clock, and then they go home around 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I was like, oh yeah.
Oh, where are you going? This is your
Oh,
bite.
my bite? That's good.
It is good.
That's good. All right. So this is where I say, ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.
Adios.
Hasta luego.
No, that's not it. It was, I say ciao for now, and you say,
See you soon. Okay, fine. There's a drip. It's yummy.
good.
Very, very yummy. Whoa, careful. I don't want to get chocolate all over me. We'll see you soon.
Ciao for now.
Thanks for watching, but there's more to explore,
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
so you never miss any adventures.
Click on one of these videos to keep the journey going.
And this is where I say ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.